How you doing? Thanks for visiting my page. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe. This is the Code and Conqueror Chronicles. I have a quick tutorial about Google's business page. I want to teach you guys a quick trick that I love. So you see here, let's get the pin going. Let me do it. All right, where it says support, right? I want to be able to separate support from services, from info, from hello. If you have multiple employees or partners, you can add their name here as well. So when the email comes in, this will have their name, and let me teach you guys how to do that. I love it. Way to separate. I want the important things to stand out. I don't have to filter through and look through my whole email account to find, support. I want support is urgent. If somebody's sending a support message, I want to reply to them fast. So let me show you guys how to do that. Let's go through the steps. First thing you need to do is you need to hit these dots up here, Google Apps. You're gonna go down, you're gonna look for admin, two-step process. Once you find admin, you're gonna come over here and create an alternate email. Right here. Oh, let me use a pen again. Hold on. Hey. Alright, sorry. Done. Cool. And then so it'll be your name, right? So starting out, whatever account is set up in. So that's the first thing you have to do. You just have to select who you want it. For me, it's Kimura, and then proceed. Be your name or your business name. And then you'll get to this window here. So let's say for the sake of, I have a client. Let's just do John. Make it simple, right? So you put it in. It has the extension already for the domain name. So then it's John at linklegacy.com. No problem. I'm gonna hit save. So that's the first step. The second step is to go back to your mail. Three-step process, and then here I'm gonna click settings, see all settings. I'm gonna navigate to accounts, and then now you want to add it here, right? So we're gonna click add another email address. Of course, it's gonna shut off the screen. Let me bring it in so you guys can see it. So we can change the name here. I can make it the company name, my name. So just for the sake of this, I'm just gonna put John, and it's John. All right, this has to be correct or will not work at the legacylink.com. Then click next. If you have any errors in that section, then you did something wrong. So you could just rewind and follow the steps. So now you see it, John at Link Legacy. All right, one more step and we're done. So the next thing we want to do is we want to go back to Gmail, and then I just want to create a filter for it, right? So first let's create a folder. I'm going to name it John. Have our stuff organized here. Okay, cool. So we have John there. John doesn't want his color. John wants to be gray. Now we go up to it says search your mail. We're going to create a filter. So to, right? We want the front. We want to switch it to to. So everything that comes to John, we want it to be highlighted, and we want it to go in his folder. So we're going to do to John at the legacylink.com. Cool, smooth, create filter, and then we want to just select John's folder, right? Apply the label. This is the label over here. Select it, create filter. Cool, you're done. I'm gonna send a test email. I'm gonna pause it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, we back. The test worked. So we sent the test email to John, right? And then now when we click in John, so instead of him filtering everything that goes to John at legacylink.com will go straight into his folder, and he'll be able to have access to it. He doesn't have to look around through all. Same thing with support, right? Support stands out. I see something, I click on support, see in there, make sure I take care of that. I hope this was helpful, guys. Quick tutorial. Please subscribe, and I will have a lot more tutorials that help me out with my business. It's like the little things that kind of help me build the business. So good luck, well wishes, Chronicles out.